Okay, so I was looking at this sci-fi city render, and I thought, how does someone even have the patience to model 10,000 tiny little vents and pipes? I mean, I have thoughts, millions of them, but sitting there for 10 hours extruding individual faces? No thanks. That's when I found Random Flow. It's basically a chaos button for your mesh, but in the best way possible. You select a few faces, and boom, it generates these incredibly complex layers of greebles, panels, and pipes instantly. It feels like you're cheating, honestly. My favorite part is the random tubes and cables tools. You can literally just click a few points and it creates these sagging, heavy-duty industrial cables or complex hydraulic systems. Amazing! It even has a panel cloth feature now, so you can turn hard metal plates into soft padded fabric sections. If you're into concept art or just want to make your spaceships look like they actually have working parts inside them, this is the one. It turns hours of manual labor into about 5 minutes of clicking sliders. It's brilliant.